Did you know that the global economic war shows no signs of stopping? And now, in 2025, the situation has become even more complex. In the USA, Donald Trump has taken back the presidency and is preparing for a major trade war with China. Meanwhile, some European countries like the UK, Italy, and Spain have realized that it's nearly impossible to recover from this economic crisis without China's involvement. Think back to a time when UK leaders raised questions about human rights with China's President Xi Jinping at the G20 summit. But the story has changed now. In January 2025, UK Chancellor Rachel Reeves visited Beijing. She said, "Fiscal rules that I set out in my budget are non-negotiable, and growth is the #1 mission of this government. I am in China to unlock untapped benefits for British businesses exporting and trading worldwide." During Rachel Reeves's visit, £600 million worth of agreements were made, ensuring a strong partnership between the UK and China in sectors like trade, investment, and climate. Now, the question arises, how beneficial will this partnership be for the UK? In fact, the UK government claims that these agreements could boost the UK economy by £1 billion over the next 5 years. Additionally, projects like UK-China Stock Connect and UK-China Bond Business will be launched. Moreover, green bonds will be issued in London to fund environmental projects. However, amid the trade war, Britain will also need to be cautious about its decisions. Since Brexit, the UK economy has already faced setbacks. In 2022, UK exports to the EU dropped by £27 billion, and small businesses saw a 40% drop in export rates. In this situation, increasing trade with China might become an emergency solution for the UK. China is now the second largest buyer of British products. On the other hand, China is accelerating its economic strategy. The country is working quickly to strengthen its currency, the yuan, in global trade, and reduce its reliance on the US dollar. The semiconductor industry, which is the backbone of global technology, has become a major battleground in the US-China trade war. But China has made significant strides in producing mature chips. By 2025, China's share of global chip production could increase from 30% to 39%. So, what opportunities does this present for India? If the UK-China partnership faces any hurdles, India could become a strong economic partner for the UK through its manufacturing sector and engineering strength. India's affordable solutions and sustainable innovation could serve as a more durable alternative in markets like the UK. So, will these economic equations in 2025 change the future of the world? Will the UK-China partnership succeed? And will the US-China trade war alter the global economic dynamics? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay updated with our future content. Thank you.